Hey guys, it's Miriam
and Patrick
with lots of toys. Check it out. We have a really fun Paw Patrol set today. It's Rocky's Barn Rescue Track Set and Circuit. It includes Mr. Porter and Rocky. And they have a very fun track they're going to be riding and rescuing on today. We're going to have a mission today. Guess what our mission is going to be?
Rescue a cow.
Yeah, save the cow. Rotate to close the fence.
Yeah, and you could combine this with other sets.
Yeah, we've actually unboxed the other sets. Be sure to check out the eye above or the end card at the end of our video for more fun Paw Patrol videos.
Let's open it up and have some fun. Oh, with scissors.
You love scissors, don't you?
I do. Rocky. Mr. Porter. This is kind of heavy.
Drop it like it's hot. You have scissors hands.
Yeah.
Now let's go ahead and open up the rest of our box. Cool. Let's go ahead and assemble it now.
You have to add 2 strips here. There we go. Then we do have to do this. Push it back a bit more so we have more room. Then we have to put a straight, and then we have to put a curve and make it all connect. Like this.
Stellarific. Hey, you dropped Rocky.
We need the Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Rocky!
What happened here, guys? Mr. Porter, you've gotten yourself into trouble. Don't worry, we're gonna rescue you. You're a double Rocky? I'm Rocky. No, I'm Rocky. No, I'm Rocky. Ah! I'm seeing double. I think I need to have my vision checked. Maybe I need glasses. Tell me about it. Now, who's gonna rescue? Rocky 1 or Rocky 2?
Rocky 1 and Rocky 2.
Let's go. Teamwork. Hey, don't drill me. Don't drill me. Use the scoop and the crane. Baby Rocky. He just looks little like a baby, doesn't he?
They're brothers.
Good, but you need to put me on track.
Beep, beep.
And look, Rubble, he's stuck.
Get out of here. There you go.
Nice job.
Baby Rocky's more better than Rubble.
Baby Rocky. Look, he's so little, right?
This is his big brother, and this is his little brother.
Oh, yeah, I like that. Now let's get rolling. Moo. Hey, I'm flat on my face. What happened here?
What?
Ah, I only see ground. What happened? Riff, riff. Why is everything happening to me? Moo, moo, moo. My cow is stuck. Why is it mooing so much?
Because you need to reset it like this.
Oh yeah, cool.
You twist it.
So you twist the top. Oh, now it's good, right? So you reset it at the top, the cow is stuck, and when you press the button here, it's back in its barn. Cool. Whee! Hey, wait for me, wait for me.
Hey, that's my ride. Get out of here.
Hey, he's very,
Rockety.
rockety pop. Look at him, he's a cutie. He's tiny. He's definitely like a baby. And check him out in comparison to this guy. He's like, hey, I'm your little brother. Hey, I'm your big brother. Oh, I'm your little brother.
Look, did you notice something?
What?
Look, this guy has his pup pack and his clothes, but this guy doesn't. He only has his badge and his hat.
Yeah. He's the little one.
Whee! Stop. It's gonna be a rock slide. I see the sign. Get out of here, Mr. Porter. You're endangered your life. Oh, it started! Ah! We gotta go! We gotta go! Go! Rubble, can I do it, please? Sure, Rocky, because you're better at construction and recycling and reusing.
Whoa, big emergency here.
I'm only good for building things. So, you can do it. The road is a bit messy.
We need to clear all the rocks and the trees.
Put them in here. Okay. That should be enough.
There's a rock stuck in the farm, too.
It's out. Now load it up. Loading it up. And there. Over there. And now, put as many rocks as I can.
A bit more work to do over here, guys.
Mr. Porter, you have to be on the road. It's not safe to drive yet.
Nice work.
Now we need just to take it away.
You have a perfect rig for that. It's Rocky's tugboat rig.
Let's first put the big one. See if the big one even fits. Yeah, it does. Let's put it Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol, and on the double. Beep, beep. Look what a mess it left in here.
Yeah.
We need to take those rocks away. We finished our job here.
Nice job, rescue team. Take a look at this fun new Paw Patrol. It's Sky and Zuma'S Lighthouse Rescue. It's a track set. It includes Zuma and Sky. And there's Zuma'S HOVERCRAFT. This looks super fun. It even has a lighthouse. It lights up as well. Super cute. Wow, there's so much you can do with this set. You light up your lighthouse, and then Sky flies. You rescue Wally, and then you move the trees to switch the track. Cool. We have a rescue mission, so let's get to it. And also stay tuned. I have a surprise for you. Wow, check it out. I've got a surprise for you. 2 eggs I'm going to open at the end. So stay with me. So you can see what I have in here. We have some assembly to do. Sky's gotta fly! Wow! It's time to rescue Wally! Help! Wally needs rescue! Are you alright, Wally? No worries, here comes Sky! Sky's gotta fly! Whee! Whee! I gotta see if Wally's okay. Wally, you're okay. Awesome! Sky's gotta fly! What an awesome Paw Patrol track! You have Zuma, and he's got a hovercraft. Wally, how you doing, buddy? Backwards, awesome. Sky's gotta fly. Whee! What a super fun track. It has several ways you can actually travel on it. And you can rescue Wally as well. Here's Zuma and his hovercraft. The figurine does not come out from here. It's definitely attached. Super fast craft. Trees here, and you have a whole new way. Woohoo! Wally is saved. Sky's gotta fly. Whee! Whee! And now for our surprise eggs. We have 2 of them. Let's see what we got. Shopkins. 2 of them, and they're eggs. Check it out, they have fillings. Here's another surprise egg. What's in here? Oh, 2 more Shopkins. Cool. Sweet treats. So awesome. check it out. We have so many Paw Patrol toys. There's Marshall's Mission Fire Truck. This is Mission Paw. It's a different one. There's another fire truck. This one is Marshall's forest vehicle.
It does, but instead of a hose, it has a saw.
Yeah, it's definitely a different fire truck or a different type.
Can it spin? Oh yay, spin.
And then we have Rubble'S Mission Bulldozer. He's also part of Mission Paw. And then there's Rocky's Tugboat. Cool.
That does not look like a boat.
It's a boat, but look at that. It's his rubble rig. Can you see that?
Yeah, but I thought Rocky in the show was afraid of water.
Apparently, he's gotten over his fear, because now he has a boat. Now let's open them up and have some fun with them.
Is this for concrete? Because it goes like this. Tick, 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 tick.
I think so. That's a bulldozer, so it's definitely for construction. Which one should we start with?
My favorite color.
Green. We're going to start with Rocky's Tugboat. He's got a working forklift and a crane, and the back opens so you can fill it up. Cool. Rocky! I'm not sure if it floats on water.
Oh, did you notice it has propellers?
Yeah.
Like a submarine. Oh, it's a recycling boat.
Yeah. Hey, I can't fit in there.
Because you're too big. But a rock could fit in there.
Yeah. Let's open up our next ones. Let's see what other Paw Patrol toys we have. Here's Rubble'S Mission Bulldozer. Whoa, he has a spring-loaded jackhammer. He's got a movable scoop. So fun. Gotta get to work. No time to waste. Rocky. Whee! Hey, wait for me, wait for me. How you doing, Rocky? Whee! Hey, watch where you're going. What's that? What do we have here? Woof, 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 woof. Woof. Ah! Beep, beep, beep. Woof, woof. Let's tow it out of here. Yeah! Ooh, this is gonna be fun. My first Star Wars ship that I get to tow.
Wait, I'm towing.
Hey, we don't fight.
Hey, it's mine! Get out of here! I discovered it first.
Naughty Rubble. Hey, this is pretty nice. I like his rig. Maybe we should switch. I even have a working drill. We have more toys to open. Marshall's fire truck. This is the Mission Fire Truck. Here's the fire truck. We have Marshall to go with it. He's got an extending tool here. What's that again? Don't tell me it's our ship. my goodness.
He sat down perfectly.
What happened here? Big, giant, boom, crash.
Look at Rocky. He's like, what happened here? He's like staring. He's like this.
Yeah, he's the only one that hasn't been affected.
And him. And Marshall.
Yeah. Ruff! You guys need rescue here.
Not me.
Hey, Marshall, we need to pull everybody out. I think you're right. Ruff! 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 Look, Rubble is okay too. Now we need to get our vehicles out of here.
How are we gonna get Rocky's tugboat?
We'll have to dig it out. I got this, guys. We have to take it out in pieces. Hey, are you okay in there? Look, there's a bot. He's coming out. Friendly. Ruff. I got you. Woo! Look, he looks angry. What's happening here? Oh, good. He rescued himself. Cool. We have to get these vehicles out of here. Phew, my vehicle is safe.
Beep. 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 Excuse me. Oh, he farted. He tooted. He tooted. He tooted. There we go. Now it's cold. Hey. Put the rescue up.
I got this now, guys. Here we
Don't
go.
crash into the tree. Thank you, guys. Hey, I'm still stuck. Just a rock. Just a rock. Yay. There, now. We get to toy you everywhere. Look, he just didn't care. I got this. Beep, beep. Who's driving my rig? I'm the trouble. There we go. He's safe. He's safe in there. Marshall is in here.
Phew! Thanks for rescuing me, guys.
Please don't tell me you ate all my dog treats because it's in my house.
I did eat all your dog treats. Hee hee hee.
There we go.
Here's the last fire truck, the forest vehicle.
Why does it have this saw? How does it have this saw?
It has this saw so we can cut through trees. It's a forest rescue vehicle. And our second fire truck. This is different. It's a bit higher.
And it's a bit noisier.
And it has a different type of a ladder. There's a saw attached. Check it out in comparison to this other fire truck.
I noticed they have different tires. This one's yellow and that one's orange.
Yes. And different types of ladders.
And they have different texture.
And different textures, yes. One's higher, one's lower.
Now, which one is the lower one? That's the lower one.
Yeah, this one is lower. It's closer to the ground, while this one is higher.
Why does that one have to be higher and the other one's lower?
This one, the forest rescue is this one, and it needs to reach high places, so it's made bigger, stronger, higher. This one is the mission fire truck. It goes on different missions, so it has different tools. It's a grabbing tool, sort of like a wrench, so we can rescue.
It looks like a claw.
Yeah, it does look like a claw.
And why do the marshals have different hats?
And they have different hats. Good one. Yeah, look at this hat. This is more like a hard hat, and this is a fireman's hat. So here are our fun vehicles that we've opened today. So cool. Beep, beep.
Thanks for watching, kids. I hope you subscribe for more fun videos posted every day. Stay tuned for more Paw Patrol. See you next time.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.